Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to solve a circle theorem question here. So it is a paper 4, so it has 3 to 4 subdivisions. So let's start reading the question here. A, B, C, D lie on a circle center O. So A, B, C, D, all the 4 points are on the circle, are lying on the circle. So this quadrilateral ABCD is called cyclic quadrilateral. We know what cyclic quadrilateral is. If all the 4 points of a quadrilateral, if all the 4 points of a quadrilateral lies on the circle, then we used to say that this is a cyclic quadrilateral. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. The only property that we study in cyclic quadrilateral is that opposite angles. Cyclic quadrilateral, let's say if this is A, B, C, D, the only property that we study about cyclic quadrilateral is that angle A plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. That means the opposite angles will add up to give you 180. Here also angle B and angle D, angle B and angle D will add up to give you 180 degrees. Now, it's also mentioned that DAE is a straight line. DAE is a straight line. We know if it is a straight line, then the angles formed on the straight line will always add up to give you 180 degrees. So that means if this is 80, the angle over here, this straight line angle should add up to give you 180. So this part of the angle is 100. So 100 plus 80 will give me 180. And we know that opposite angles on a cyclic quadrilateral also adds up to give you 180. So I can see that A and C, they both are cyclic quadrilateral. They are the parts of a cyclic quadrilateral. So if the angle A is 100 degrees, then angle U will be automatically 80 degrees because the opposite angles on a cyclic quadrilateral will add up to give you 180. And now to find out the angle V, so we already have the angle U now, we need to find out angle V. We are going to use another cyclic circle theorem. So suppose if this is the center and if I have one arc AB here, A and B, this is the arc here. So the angle formed by the arc, uh, and let's say this is a point on the circumference, this is the center point of the circle. Now the angle formed at the center will be 2 times the angle formed on the circumference. So whatever the angle which we have here, the angle at the circumference will be 2 times. You need to make sure that both of the angles are having the same starting and ending point. So the angle made at the circumference was having the starting point as A and ending point as B. The angle formed at the center is also having the starting point as A and ending point as B. So the angle formed at the center, this is the theorem, the angle formed at the center will be 2 times the angle formed at the circumference. If I check angle DCB is the angle formed at the circumference having the starting point D, ending point B. And DOB is the angle formed at the center with the same starting points like D and B. So if U is 80, angle V will be 2 times, angle V will be 2 times 80, 2 times 80 is 160 degrees. So we got the value for U and V. U is equals to 80 degrees and V is equals to 160 degrees. This is a 2-mark question. If you have got U correct, you will be getting 1 mark. If you got a V, another 1 mark. Both correct, you will be getting 2 marks. So I hope you understood this. If you have any doubt, please please ask through the comment box. I will be sharing it over there. Thank you for watching.